we are currently in South Carolina. I'm waiting for my husband who is buying Livewire, but we are heading to Stump House Tunnel. And yeah, it's going to be fun, isn't it, buddy? Yeah, we're going to go on a hike up there that we started on, and then we never finished it, and we've been saying we're going to finish it, so we're going to go back and walk the full thing. That is the goal today. So yeah, it'll be fun. Yeah. He's a happy boy. We haven't gotten to go on many adventures lately, so he's happy to be getting out of the house. Aren't we all, buddy? Well, I know this is a bad angle for my face, but I'm shy about vlogging. I've never done it before, so this will be a very interesting day. Okay, so I feel like I didn't do a good job of really talking about what we were doing on this day, like what the plan was. So here I am recording a voiceover in hopes that it makes a little bit more sense. So we were headed to Walhalla, South Carolina to Stump House Tunnel. And this tunnel was built to connect a railway, I cannot say that word today, to connect a railway to Charleston, South Carolina. But they never finished the tunnel, and at one point in the 40s and 50s, blue cheese was being made in the tunnel. So yeah, I didn't know that until I researched it, and I've been going to this tunnel my whole life, so there you go. You learn something new every day. But now it's a very popular tourist site. Okay, so on this day, we didn't go to the main tunnel. We had actually found a trail the last time we were there, which I think was November, and it had 2 unfinished tunnels on it, and I had never been to them before. I'd never seen them before, so I was like, let's go see them. So we had made it all the way to that first tunnel, and then like a little ways past it, and then we turned around because it was getting really late and it was getting dark, and I was like, if we don't turn around now, we'll be walking back in the dark, and we didn't have flashlights on us, so we just went back. So this time around, we were like, let's do it again, let's finish this hike, let's go see this final tunnel. And we did this on June 3rd, I believe. It was the first week of June. It was hot, it was humid, it's the South, okay? I don't do well in heat, my husband doesn't do well in heat, and neither does my dog. So we went on this hike like idiots. We were not prepared. We hardly had any water on us. Like, I packed water for my dog. I packed a water bottle for me and my husband. We were just so underprepared. And we got past that first tunnel, and we made it so close to the last tunnel, but my dog was just done. He's 11 years old, and he just was done. And when we go on hikes with him, we go at his pace. We let him take breaks when he needs it, and when he tells us he's done, we leave. And he told us he was done, and we just weren't going to push him any farther. So, and at this point, we had almost run out of water, and we were like, safety first. So we went back. We plan on going back again during the winter when it's nice and cold, so that we can finish this hike, because it really is a beautiful hike. I personally would not suggest going during the summer, because there were so many insects and so many stingy bugs, and the paths were just overgrown, and there were like briars everywhere. So if you do go on it during the summer, wear bug repellent and wear protective clothing for those briars and even snakes. We didn't see snakes out there, but my husband saw some snake skins. Well, you'll get to that later in the video. So yeah, just be safe out there during the summer. When we went in the winter, there were no bugs, and all the grass and trees were dead, and it was beautiful, and I loved it, and it made me happy So we're more winter people, so we'll go back then. I'll film it again. I probably won't film the first part again. I'll film once we get to where we left off. Then maybe next time I'll discuss the hauntings that happen at Stump House Tunnel. Something I've just learned about myself. I've always been afraid of that tunnel as a child, and maybe I'll talk about why if I ever make that second video. But the last time we were there, my husband and I literally felt like something was stalking us. No joke. It felt like every step we took, something was watching us. So that was another reason why we wanted to return, why my husband was doing wood knocks, because something's out there. I don't know what it is. It could be a bear, sure, but there was definitely something stalking us in those woods, and this time we didn't really feel like anything was stalking us, but we did hear some footsteps. I heard some weird things. I stupidly did not record something. I thought I was recording something, but I wasn't. I'm just a terrible YouTuber, so I missed out on something really creepy that happened, but I was recording I thought I was recording something. There was a loud crash, like right to the angled to the right of me, just right out of my eyesight. It was as if like something was thrown past me, and I looked and I'm like, what was that? And I thought I had filmed it so I could go back and rewatch it, and I didn't film it. Worst YouTuber ever, seriously. So alright, so I'm just gonna stop talking. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video, and I will hopefully not have to do another voiceover. Maybe we should invest in some bug repellent.
Yeah, I agree.
He also may need a water break. Oh, a tree went down.
Hold it for a second.
Yeah. Do you want a flashlight?
Flashlight would be great. Hey,
Yeah?
found a little baby snail.
What?
Like a baby snail.
Don't snap on it like I did. There you go, bud. There's some water. I just gave you some. Really? What's up, babe?
Snake.
Oh, is there really a snake in there?
Probably. There's two different sheddings in there.
Oh.
Little baby snail. Just want to take a picture of it.
Yeah, if you'll watch him, I'll walk up.
I want to go in there so bad, but I got a feeling that whatever snake did that shedding, because it's a big shed, that whatever snake did it, it's poisonous. Not messing with that. Drink a lot of water, didn't you, bro?
I did. Oh,
There's another one.
Snail.
What you doing, buddy? Did you drink a lot of water?
He did. Oh, we'll probably give him some more before we go any further. But yeah, do you see that right down there?
Oh man.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, that was there last time.
Like there's a gate, so you can't really go back there. Well,
let's go find that other one so we can get something to eat.
Yeah, let's go. Hey, handsome. Do you remember this from last time?
Nope.
I don't either.
Come on, bud.
Rocky's been hearing footsteps. So I think he's gonna tree knock.
Just pathetic little.
At least you have a spider web stick now. What do you see? You okay?
Huh.
You know, this is where he freaked out last time, too.
Yep.
Oh!
Right.
Yeah, a bug just tried to fly into my shirt. If anyone passed you, they think you're doing some kind of ritual. Alright, come on, buddy. Well, that doesn't sound good.
No, it doesn't.
Someone is lucky enough to be getting carried the rest of the way.
Oh, not the rest. I'll hit the big rest.
Okay. Do you want me to go on first with a stick?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay.
Made it, buddy. I'm proud of you.
We were close.
We were very close. Hey, a part of me wants to kind of just run.
I know. Let's see. Oh my gosh. But that is how close we were to the end of the trail. But somebody said they were tired. So we're gonna walk back because we love our dog.
More than we love exploring.
Yeah. Alright, buddy.
Alright. I thoroughly enjoy exploring the trails with you, and we will be back to complete it.
When it's cooler. We'll stick to shorter trails during the summer.
Yeah, really like.
I know, it's like right down there,
It's
but
literally probably a few more hundred steps.
yeah. We've gone 1.46 miles.
Oh, wow.
And we've been out here for an hour and 21 minutes.
Okay. Let's go get something to eat.
Yeah.
What you want to eat?
Anything. Alright, buddy.
You ready?
Let's go. Ooh. Oh, really? You're gonna do this to me?
You're a big boy. How you doing?
Ooh. What are you talking to?
Frog.
Oh, a frog.
You're a big son of a gun.
I'm gonna eat it.
Oh, you're not. You're gonna stay back.
Look at him. National Geographic's Eat Your Heart Out. Didn't scare me. Nope.
Oh my gosh.
What, did you get it? Oh, that's an awesome picture. That's not gonna, there we go. Huh.
Get you in the background of that one.
Sorry.
You're good. Okay.
Oh, he looks so grumpy. He's like, leave me alone. All right, bud.
He looks regal on that one.
Rocky, the frog whisperer.
100%. Can't forget snail saver.
Snail, well, you're the snail saver. I'm the snail killer, apparently.
Yep. I know you can.